In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam not detecting controller. We'll move from quick hardware checks to the most common Steam settings and then into Windows tools that help pinpoint driver issues. Follow along and pause whenever you need. Start by confirming the basics. Make sure your controller is actually connected and has power. If you are using a cable, reseat both ends firmly. And if possible, try a different USB port. Rear motherboard ports are often more reliable than front case ports or hubs. If you are on wireless, temporarily switch to a wired connection. This rules out low battery, Bluetooth pairing faults, and flaky wireless adapters, so you can test the controller in its most stable state. Next, open Steam and go to Steam, then Settings, then Controller. In the Controller tab, check that your device shows up. This page is where Steam Input does its work, translating your controller's signals into something games understand. Enable Steam Input for your specific device type, Xbox, PlayStation, Switch Pro, or generic. Picking the correct option ensures the right button layouts and compatibility profiles are applied across your library. If Steam still isn't seeing the device, verify that Windows itself can detect it. Press the Windows key plus R, type joy.cpl, and press Enter. A game controller's window will list detected devices. If your controller doesn't appear here, that points to a Windows or driver issue rather than a Steam problem. And we'll address that shortly. Before changing drivers, try configuring the controller through Steam's Big Picture interface. Go to View and select Big Picture mode. From there, open the controller settings and test inputs. Big Picture offers a clearer setup flow and improved mapping tools, which can help Steam recognize and bind your buttons correctly. If recognition is inconsistent, fully close Steam, including the icon in the system tray. Then relaunch it by right-clicking the Steam icon and choosing Run as Administrator. This can resolve permission quirks that block Steam from accessing low-level controller interfaces. Finally, update or reinstall the controller drivers in Windows. Open Device Manager and look under Universal Serial Bus Controllers or Xbox 360 peripherals for your device. Right-click it and choose Update Driver to let Windows fetch a suitable driver. If that doesn't help, select Uninstall Device, then disconnect and reconnect the controller to trigger a clean reinstall. With these checks and settings, Steam should reliably detect your controller. Thanks for watching.